GitHub Copilot is here and it is amazing. In this video, we are going to concentrate on one of the capabilities of GitHub Copilot, which is to solve competitive programming problems. I am Darani, a software developer, and I am here to teach you all the programming knowledge that I have gathered over the past few years by building projects and solving coding problems. Now let's get straight to the Leetcode problems and let us try to solve them using the mighty GitHub Copilot. Before anything, let me explain the way GitHub Copilot works. So we provide some comments explaining what it has to do, and it gives the potential code snippets based on the requirements. So let's solve an easy problem first. This problem is called TwoSum, and most people already know the solution to this. And let's see if GitHub Copilot can give us those solutions. There are basically three solutions to this problem with different time and space complexities. Let's see if GitHub can give multiple solutions to this problem. I have a Python file created here with the name TwoSum, and GitHub Copilot is active here. If you remember, I told you that we need to provide some comments explaining what we are trying to do. As we are trying to solve a coding problem, the problem statement provided on Leetcode is more than enough. Let me just copy paste the problem statement and paste it here. And let's comment all of them. And this is more than enough. Now it is an easy problem, and let us add the function signature of this problem. And we can copy this portion of the code and paste it here. And this thing is more than enough for the GitHub Copilot to kind of figure out what we are trying to do. And I'm just pressing enter, and let's wait. It is showing me something. And we can press tab to allow what it is trying to give. You can press enter and you can again wait. It is giving me solutions like this, line by line. And surprisingly, this is the exact solution that we need to solve the problem. And the problem is already over. Now let's delete the code and see if GitHub Copilot can give any other solution. I'm going to press Ctrl plus enter, and we open the GitHub Copilot panel on a separate page. And here we get 10 different solutions that we can choose from. As you can see, there are many solutions here. And let me choose the first solution. It looks like the brute force method. There are some indentation issues, and let me fix that real quick. And now I suspect GitHub Copilot is going to give me the rest of the code. And yes, it does. And this is exactly the brute force solution of this problem. So it is clear that GitHub Copilot easily solves Leetcode problems. But how? Before getting wowed by the ability of AI as our coding partner, it is our responsibility to actually understand how it works. To understand this, we need to understand how GitHub Copilot was created and trained in the first place. I'm not going to talk about the OpenAI and GPT-3 and bore you. What we need to care about is the data set on which the AI algorithm is built. The algorithm was mainly built on the open source GitHub code and the code snippets on Stack Overflow. So now the dots are getting connected. There are many repositories on GitHub which exclusively share the solutions of Leetcode problems, including my own repository. Now you know how GitHub Copilot generates code snippets that looks very similar to how a competitive programmer would type. And this is why Microsoft bought GitHub for $7.5 billion and made it easier for developers to use them and encourage them to put more of their code on GitHub. Yeah, business. So, the code snippets shown are not generated by AI. Most of the code provided is written by the humans, and AI does the job of matching it with the user's requirement. So should you use it? No. Don't get me wrong. You can use GitHub Copilot, but this particular use case sucks. You can try it for fun, but using it to solve problems is a big no-no, as it makes no sense. Learn and do it. If you got some value out of this video, hit that like button. Also, if you want to know how GitHub Copilot performs while I build a production application, hit that subscribe button and make sure to turn on that notification so that you don't miss out on that future content. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video.